Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about angles of elevation and angles of depression, illustration, formulas, and sample problems. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about angles of elevation and angles of depression. An angle of elevation is an angle formed by a horizontal line and a line of sight to the point above the line. So in the diagram, angle 1 is the angle of elevation from the tower T to the plane P. So halimbawa, ito ako, nandito ako na, nakatingin ako doon sa plane. So ang tawag doon, okay, tapos ito yung straight sight line ng sight ko. Ito 'yon. And then ito naman yung tinitignan ko. Ang tawag dito is elevation. So yung angle na ma-form is angle of elevation. Kung kung nandito naman ako sa taas at nakatingin ako sa baba, okay? On the straight side in my position, kung nasaan ako, halimbawa, ito ako, so yung tingin ko dito, at saka yung tingin ko pababa, yung angle na ma-form doon is angle of depression. It's an angle formed by a horizontal line, which is the line of my sight, my straight, yung straight na tingin ko, and the line sight at the point below the line. Okay, kung ano yung tinitignan ko sa baba. So, angle 2 is the angle of depression from the plane to the tower. Since horizontal lines are parallel, okay, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by the alternate interior angle theorem. So, dahil nga parallel yung ating mga angle, so using this one, ibig sabihin, yung measurement ni angle 2 at saka measurement ni angle 1 ay pareho using the theorem na alternate interior angles. So, therefore, the angle of elevation from the one point is congruent, no, to the angle of depression from the another point. So let's have the example. Classify angles of elevation and depression. Classify each angle as an angle of elevation or angle of depression. Okay, angle 1. What is this? Is it an angle of elevation or angle of depression? Angle 1 is formed by horizontal line and a line of sight below. So nandito siya, ne? It is an angle of depression. So, ito siya. Halimbawa, nandito yan. Nandito yung tao. Straight line. And then, pababa, tinitignan niya siguro to. Hindi ko alam. So, that is an angle of depression. Angle 4. So, angle 4, ayan. Dito siya. So, ito yung straight line. Okay. Kung nakikita mo, pataas ang kanyang side. So this one, angle 4, is formed by horizontal line and a line of sight to the point above the line. It is an angle of elevation. Finding distance by using the angle of elevation. The shuttle space needle needle casts a 67-meter shadow. If the angle of elevation from the tip of the shadow to the top of the space needle is 70 degrees. Ito siya, no? 70 degrees. How tall is the space needle? Round your answer to the nearest meter. So, sakto, hindi siya nearest hundredths, no? So, halimbawa, ayan yan. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung height ng space needle. Okay, ito yan. So, we will use the trigonometric ratio in solving this. No? Uh, so, we have 70 degrees and then 67 meters for the adjacent side of the angle A. So, draw a sketch to represent the given information. Let A represent the tip of the shadow. So, ito yan. Tapos yung shadow niya, ito. And then, um, let B represent the top of the space needle. Let Y be the height of the space needle. Okay? And this one is the length of the shadow, which is 67 meter. Okay. You are given the side adjacent to angle A and Y is the side opposite to angle A. So, we will use tangent ratio. Bakit? Kasi nga, ito siya. So, ang relationship ni A kay Y is opposite. Ang relationship ni A kay 67 is adjacent. So, kung iisipin mo yung SOHCAHTOA, ang gagamitin natin is yung TOA kasi siya lang yung may opposite tsaka adjacent. So, we have tangent 70 degrees equals y over 67. Okay? Now, cross-multiply the two. Multiply both sides by 67 or cross-multiply. So, you will have 67 tangent 70 degrees. And using your calculator, just type 67 tangent 70 degrees. Simplify the expression and you will get 184 meter. Nakuha nyo ba is exact 184 meter? So, let's try. 67 tangent 70. You will get 184.080987 But, yung sinabi kanina is nearest meter. Ibig sabihin, whole number ang isusulat natin. So, that is 184 meters. So, yung height nung space needle is 184 meter using yung shadow niya at saka yung angle of elevation. An ice climber stands at the edge of the crevasse or crevasse. I don't know how to pronounce it. I hope it's correct. That is 115 feet wide. The angle of depression from the edge where she stands to the bottom of the opposite side is 52 degrees. So, nasa taas siya, no? Ng maybe a bundok or what. So, ang height ng bundok no, is 100, that is 115 feet wide. No. That is the floor. The stand to the bottom of opposite side is 52 degrees. How deep is the crevasse at this point? Round up to the nearest foot. Kasi feet yung nakalagay. Draw the sketch to represent the given information. Let C represent the ice climber and let B represent the bottom of the opposite side of the crevasse. Let Y be the depth of the crevasse. So, ito yan. So, ayan. So, lapad siya, no? So, hinahanap pa rin natin yung height, no? Nung kung saan siya nakatungtong. Halimbawa, nandito si climber, and then sa tingin niya, nung tumitingin siya, using the angle of depression, ito yung straight line, kasi baliktad dyan, no? So, 52 degrees yung kanyang, ito, no? Yung kanyang sight. Okay? Tapos yung height, kung saan siya nakatayo, yung Y. From his or her distance dito, which is kung pupunta ka sa ilalim, at yung distance niya dun sa tinitignan niya is 115 feet. Okay? So, ang hinahanap natin is ito. But the question is, paano natin gagamitin itong degree na to? Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is, kukunin natin yung 90 degrees. Okay? So, 90 degrees. So, kung 90 degrees yan, what is 52 or 90 minus 52? So, the answer is 38. Okay? 38 degrees ito. Or, pwede natin gamitin yung alternate interior angle theorem. Kung 52 yan, therefore, ito ay 52 degrees din. Nakakasunod? So, using the alternate interior angle theorem, measurement of angle B is equal to 52. So, okay, paano naging tangent yung ano, tingnan natin ulit, okay? Since ito ay 52, ayan, 52 ito, ang relationship ni angle B kay Y is opposite. Ang relationship ni angle B kay 115 is adjacent. From the word or mnemonics na TOA, opposite over adjacent, tangent ang ating gagamitin. So, we have tangent ratio, tangent 52 degrees for the B, not for the, not for the C, for the B, equals y over 115, cross multiply or multiply both sides by 115, you will have this one. In short, ilalagay ko lang si 115 dito. So, cross multiply lang. And then 115 tangent 52, i-click mo yan using your calculator. Ang makukuha natin is 147.1932877. Pero, round off natin siya, and that is 147 feet, no? Round off in nearest foot, sabi dun sa problem. Okay, what if, supposed, yan, the ranger sees another fire and the angle of depression, ito yung si ano, no, yung, ang tawag doon, bumbero. So, using the angle of depression, ayan, yung angle na nandito is 3 degrees. Yan, ito, 3 degrees daw yan. So, using alternate interior, 3 degrees din to, yung fire. Okay? What is the horizontal distance? So, hinahanap yung distance nung si firefighter or fire ranger doon sa fire. So, gaano siya kalayo, no? So, what is the horizontal distance to the spy? Run to the nearest foot. Foot ang given. Kasi feet, yung 90 degree, yung 90 is equal to 90, yung height kung saan si ranger ay nandoon is 90 feet. So, okay. So, given this F, ano ang relationship niya kay 90? That's opposite. Si X, adjacent. So, pwede pa rin tayong gumamit ng tangent ratio. And this is now. Ngayon, since yung X nasa ilalim, ang gagawin ko, pagpapalitan ko na lang sila ng position. Pwede naman yon. X equals 90 over tangent 3 degrees. Ito naman, sabi niya, multiply both side by X and divide by tangent. So, pinapahaba lang niya. So, ganun din naman ang lalabas. In short, pagpalitan mo lang sila ng position. Okay, or yung cross multiply, ganun din. Cross multiply or change the position of the two values. Okay, so we have x equals 90 over tangent 3 degrees. So pwede mo nang i-solve yan using your calculator. 90 divided by tangent 3. And you will get, yung nakuha ko is 1,717.302302. I hope ganun din yun sa inyo. So let's see kung tama tayo. Simplify the expression. The answer is 1717 feet. Again, nearest feet ang kukunin natin, ay foot, no? So, ibig sabihin, whole number ang kukunin natin. Okay, kung pwede siyang round off, i-round off siya. Okay? So, x equals 1,717 feet. An observer in the lighthouse is 69 feet above the water. He sights two boats in the water directly in front of him. The angle of depression to the nearest boat is 48 degrees. The angle of depression to the other boat is 22 degrees. What is the distance between the two boats? Okay, so hinahanap natin yung distance ng dalawang boat. Kaso, given yung 2 degrees, no? Yung angle of depression ng 2 degrees. So, first, sketch muna natin yung ating figure. So, let L represent the observer. Ito si observer. Ito yung kanyang horizontal line. And then, observer in the lighthouse. And let A and B represent the two boats. So, we have first boat, ito, tsaka second boat. Okay? Using this one, ang measurement niya is 22 degrees. Kasi, ang angle of elevation niya, okay, angle of depression niya is 22. So, using alternate interior angle, 22 din to. On the other hand, yung angle of depression niya using the letter A both is 48. So, therefore, 48 din yung angle ni A. Angle of elevation ni A. So, yan. So, 22 using the B, ayan, 22 din siya. Tapos, nung pagtingin niya kay A, naging 48 siya. So, 48 din ito. Nakukuha niyo ba? So, ang hinahanap natin is yung distance ni A kay B. So, ibig sabihin, we need to solve first or let us, tama, we need to solve first si yung from here hanggang dito. Tapos, isa-solve din natin yung here hanggang dito, and then ima-minus natin para makuha natin yung distance nito hanggang kay B. Nagets niyo ba? Ulitin ko. Kailangan muna nating isolve si distance of C hanggang B. Pag na-solve natin yan, isa-solve naman natin yung distance ni C hanggang A. Then, ima-minus natin sila para makuha natin ang distance ni A hanggang B. Nagigets niyo ba? Okay. Now, find Y muna. So, si letter Y muna ang hanapin natin. So, by the alternate interior angle theorem, a measurement of angle CAL is equal to 58 degrees. 58 degrees? Mm-hmm. Saan nakuha si 58 degrees? CAL, angle A. That's 48. Okay, nagkaroon lang po ng typographical. This is 48 degrees. Mm-hmm. So, this one is 48 degrees. Okay, X na lang natin. That's 48. Ayan. And then, in triangle ALC, meron tayong tangent 48 degrees equals 69 over y. I hope meron tayong figure para mas makita natin. Okay, so find y. Sige, find y. The relationship of angle A to 69 is opposite. The relationship of angle A to y is adjacent. From that, makakaisip na tayo that we will use the tangent. So, kaya ganon. Okay, again, 48 yan, hindi siya 58. So, we have tangent 48 equals 69, which is the opposite over adjacent, which is the y. So, again, change position lang yan. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 69 over tangent 48. So, you will have 62.1. Okay, hindi muna tayo mag-round off, okay, ng whole number hanggat hindi pa final yung answer natin. Okay, for Z, yung kabuuan, no? From C to B. Okay, ang kanilang angle is 22, that's correct. So, again, ang relationship ni angle kay 69 is opposite. Kay Z is adjacent. That's why tangent pa rin. So, tangent 22 ang gagamitin natin because the given angle for the angle B is 22. So, we have 69 over tangent 22. Okay? Wala kasi tayong figure. Magawa tayo ng figure para mas maintindihan ninyo. Ayan, halimbawa, ayan yung ating figure. Bayin natin yung color. So, ayan. Okay. So, this is letter B. And then this is C. This is A. I am sorry, this is L yata, if I'm not mistaken. This is C. So, this is letter L. Okay. CBL. Ang given is 69 feet. So, kailangan natin makuha ang size nito hanggang dito. That's Z. Kasi Y yung dito, X yung dito. Okay, nakakasunod. So, ngayon, meron tayong CBL. The relationship of B to 69 is opposite. The relationship of P to Z is adjacent. That's why gumamit tayo ng tangent because of the clue na opposite over adjacent. So the opposite is 69 over adjacent, which is 60. Then we have tangent 22 for the degrees na given kanina for the angle B. Now, just cross multiply. So we have 69 over tangent 22 and you will get 170.8 feet. So since nakuha na natin si Z at saka si Y, pwede na natin makuha si X by subtracting the two length. So to find X, we have X equals Z minus Y. Mauna si Z because it has the biggest length. Hindi naman pwede maging negative yung length natin. So the answer is 109 feet. So the two boats, 109. Is that exactly 109? So we have 170.8 minus 62.1. That's equal to 108.7. Round off to nearest feet or foot. So whole number, so we have 109 feet is the distance between the boat A and boat B. Okay. A pilot flying at an altitude of 12,000 feet sights two airports directly in front of him. The angle of depression to one airport is 78 degrees and the angle of depression to the second airport is 19 degrees. So it is the same with the previous problem, no? Angle of depression na pinag-uusapan. The distance, what is the distance between the two airports? So just like the two boats. So this is the airport. So yung angle of depression niya is 19 degrees dun sa isang airport. So therefore the opposite is 19 degrees also. For the other airport is 78, so this one is 78 degrees. Okay? So we're looking for the distance of the airport A and airport B. So find Y muna using the alternate interior theorem. We have CAP which is 78 degrees. Okay? So kung magdodrawing tayo, ayan. So this is A and this one is B. Ang hinahanap natin is Y muna. This is X. And this one is 12,000 of 12k feet, no? 12,000 feet. Yun ang taas ng airplane. So, ang opposite sa A, then adjacent sa Y. So, tangent ang ginamit. Because opposite is 12,000 and the adjacent is Y. Tangent 78, that's the measurement of the cup, no? The CAP. CAP. Angle CAP. Okay? So, using cross multiplication, we have 12,000 over tangent 78. And the answer is 2,551 feet. On the other hand, to find the Z, 19 degrees ang given for B, yung pinakita ko kanina. If you want to review, you can check out na lang dun sa previous figure natin. So, again, yung kanyang relationship, ang relationship ng 19 degrees sa 1,000 ay 12,000 feet is opposite at for the Z is the adjacent. That's why we use tangent 19. Then cross multiply, change the position of tangent 19 and Z, we have 12,000 divide tangent 19 and you will get 34,851 feet. To find the X, just subtract the 2. So you will have 32,300. So that is the distance between the airport A and airport B. So the two airports are about 32,300 feet apart. So that's all about for the angle of elevation, angle of depression, illustration, formulas, and sample problems. With that, thank you very much for your listening.